Hi friends, this video will show you how to use App Lock and hide the apps with passwords on OnePlus Nord 2 5G. To set up App Lock, go to Settings, Privacy. You will find an option called App Lock. Tap on it. Go to Settings on this pop-up to set up the privacy password. Here, you can choose the password you want. By default, it takes a 6-digit password. You can change it by tapping Use a different password type. These are the different types of password you can choose as a privacy code. Select the one as per your choice. Create the password. Then you need to add a security question to recover the password in case if it is lost. Once done, tap this right mark. You will be redirected to this page to select the apps you want to protect with the password. Select the apps by moving the slider. You can unlock apps with the face or fingerprint by selecting Use on this pop-up screen. Next, go to Settings. If you want to enter a password every time you open an app, keep this Leave Apps Unlocked option off. If you keep it on, it will not ask for authentication to open the app if you exit and reopen it before the screen is locked. You can enable or disable fingerprint or face to unlock the apps here. Now, whenever you open the protected apps, it asks for authentication. You can open by using the password or fingerprint or face as per your preference. If you want to customize the password for App Lock, go back to Settings, Privacy and then App Lock. Authenticate with the password. Here, Settings. Tap on Change Privacy Password Settings. On this page, you can change the password or turn off the password. You can even change the password recovery options on this page. Now, I will show you how to hide apps on OnePlus Nord. To hide an app, you need to go to Hidden Space. You can do that in two ways. One way is by pinching out on the home screen or go to All Apps screen, swipe right. Once you are in Hidden Space, using any of the two methods, tap on this plus sign. Now, select the apps you want to hide. For this demo, let me choose some apps. Once you are set the apps, tap the tick mark. You can even add a password to a hidden space. For that, tap on these options represented with 3 vertical dots. Then select Enable Password. Now you need to enter your phone lock screen password or fingerprint. To unhide, add an app, go to Hidden Space and long press on the app you want to unhide. Select Unhide. If you want to remove the password for Hidden Space, go to Options and tap on Disable Password. Enter the authentication. That's it on how to lock the apps or hide an app on OnePlus Nord. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful.